हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम सोनम महेशवाल। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल महेशवाल स्टेनो। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके लिए कुछ फ्रेजेस की डिक्टेशन लेकर आई हूँ, जैसे एग्जीक्यूटिव फ्रेजेस और पार्लियामेंट्री फ्रेजेस। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इन व्यू ऑफ द सर्कमस्टांसेस, आई शुड लाइक टू कंक्लूड फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्स, लोक सभा will be taken into consideration, will have to be considered what has happened. It would have been balance sheet, profit and loss, deficit financing, fiscal policies. Mr. Deputy Chairman, for a long time, a special consideration, for consideration, under consideration, as a result of, from my point of view, apart from the fact that in the course of the on the table, Rajya Sabha will be taken into consideration what is happening, what would happen, state of affairs, assets and liabilities, finance minister, fiscal targets. Mr. Vice Chairman, let us try, has to be considered, for your consideration, shall be considered, ought to be considered. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लीजिए। और ये है कुछ पार्लियामेंट्री फ्रेजेस। आइए शुरू करते हैं। आई वुड लाइक टू नो, आई वुड लाइक टू सबमिट my honorable friends in this house, human lives, both houses of parliament, to the best of their ability, from time to time, in spite of the fact that with regard to the keeping in view of, on his behalf, on their behalf, member of parliament, ifs and buts, Mr. Deputy Speaker, I would like to state, honorable members of this house, in the first instance, pointed out, it will not be to the best of my ability, to the best of your ability, come to the conclusion, having regard to the, in relation to, they were able to, on account of, on my behalf, on your behalf, brought out, social and economic, honorable minister, in this connection. So friends, this is all for today. Thank you.